some profits for the week. Let's do some quick recap here. This simple recap, very simply, you have to understand why the squeeze happened. And if you remembered, we talked about the squeeze plenty of times throughout the week. And one of the key indicators is the 5-day trending up together with the upper Bollinger right here, as you see it for yourself. Now, it's important if you have not, or if you're a new member here watching this, you have to watch the previous videos. The links are in the description. You have to watch the previous one, and that links to my thought process to the one before and the one prior. And you can understand the context as we link it up as the market moves. Now, many things seem to be easier to study on hindsight, but that's not a point in trading. In trading, you must learn to be preparing ahead. And with that preparation, you must know how to make certain trading decisions. So it's important you watch the videos that I make every day. And I appreciate you if you take the time to do that. And because as I mentioned in the previous video, we had one market cycle. In my opinion, this is one market cycle because we have retested the upper Bollinger, we have retested the bottom Bollinger, and we had a tremendous bounce. Now, this will make more sense to you if you watch the videos. And as I mentioned, this is a great opportunity for learning because within a month, 6 weeks, a month and a half, we were able to experience one entire market cycle in the trading space. What a great opportunity. So the best way to learn this is truly to watch the videos day by day. You can check back from the video prior to this. Trust me, this is the market opportunity for you. If you're not making money from the market, that's fine. But if the market presents to you a learning opportunity like this, you have to seize it. So please do watch the videos. If you are truly serious about this, you have to watch it. Now, members, there is end of day summary every single day. And if you can tie this up, you can tie up my daily analysis together with the intraday videos that I create and put them together. Understand the thought process better. Now, this will be spectacular for you. Right, so please do that. And this is why if you trade with me daily, if you show up daily, you catch the videos daily as I post them, you run through the end of day summary together with the live analysis every day as I review them, right? It doesn't take too much time for you. You don't have to spend 6.5 hours at the trading floor. This takes less than 30 minutes a